Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is sweet potatoes pie. I have the pie crust already done here. I made it in a previous video. You will find the full recipe and all the steps. And today we will do sweet potato pie. We'll pour all the mixture on this pie crust. It was so delicious, this sweet potato pie. Very good, texture good, and very successful. Stay with me to see all the steps and all the ingredients and how we do it step by step to get a very, very delicious sweet potato pie for these holidays and for your family. We start with boiling the sweet potatoes. You warm up the water first. Then here I have a 4 big potatoes. That was 2 pounds and a half of potatoes. Because my dish for the pie is deep. If it's not deep, you can use only 3 big ones, 2 pounds. Now we let them boil very good until it gets well done and tender. Now you see with my knife, the sweet potatoes very, very soft. The knife go through with no problem. Now we pick them up and we drain them on the top of a paper towel or some cloth. They have to drain from all the excess of water. That's very important before that you mix them with the other ingredients. This step, very important step. Let them cool and drain on top of paper towel or a kitchen towel if you want to. And when you start cooling off a little bit, I peel them. I take the skin off. You see how it's very, very easy to take it off. It's not hard at all because they are well done. If you sweet potatoes well done, you will not have no problem peeling them, peeling the skin off. It's so easy. And sweet potatoes are very, very soft. And their color is amazing. Okay, now I'm done peeling off the skin. I will transfer them to another paper to drain them more. The other one was all wet. And get rid of the skin and all the. After they drain well on top of a paper towel, I put them on the strainer like that and I press down until it takes the rest of liquid that is staying there. You want to drain them good, very good before that you start working with them. You see how much fluids and water coming out. Now, after I drain them good, I put them in a mixing bowl and I used my hand mixer to mix the sweet potatoes. You know how soft it is. I will mix it 6 times. Each time I finish mixing with the hand mixer, I will get rid of the strings that's on the sweet potatoes. I will rinse the whiskers under the sink with water each time. I will do this step 6 times until is no more strings on this sweet potatoes. It's very, very important this step if you want your sweet potato pie be so good, no strings, and the mixture is very smooth. After this, took all strings out, I add a 1/3 cup of butter. Is room temperature, very, very soft one. If you want to melt it, you can, but mine it was really soft. I didn't need to. And mix it with the hand mixer like that. Then I add a cup of sugar. You can add up to 1 cup and 1/4 cup. Depend how much sweet you like on your pie, how sweet you like it, and also depend on the sweet potatoes. Some sweet potatoes are sweet, some not. Then you taste your butter when you add the sugar and see if that's enough or you need more. You adjust the sugar, depend how you like your sweetener. Also, I added 2 large eggs, mixed, then 5 ounces or a half can of evaporated milk, and also I'm mixing here with the hand mixer. From time to time, scrape the sides of your mixing bowl. Then finish mixing. Everything mix well. See how it looks very smooth and nice. But you have to follow all the steps. It's easy, it's not hard, but you have to follow all the steps to get a very good sweet potato pie. Now for the flavor, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon, and a half tablespoon of pure lemon extract. Lemon extract and vanilla extract give it a very nice flavor. Mix everything well again. Then I add my spices. That's a 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Is plus or less, more or less, depend how you like. You taste your butter how you like it, if you add more cinnamon or less. And a half teaspoon of nutmeg. And a half teaspoon of salt. You have to add some salt there to bring the sweetener of the pie. After we mix everything, we pour this mixture into the pie crust that we prepared before. Then we put it in a preheated oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for an hour to hour 15 minutes. And now you see how it comes out. Look, I cut it here, cut a few pieces. The texture is really, really good, and the flavor is good. Follow this recipe and you will get some very, very good results. Especially now the holidays coming and Thanksgiving, a lot of people cook sweet potato pie. Try this recipe and let me know in the comments how did you like it. Thank you for watching and see you next time in a new recipe. Enjoy!